Hey there, pie lovers. Welcome back to my cozy kitchen, where today we're diving into the delicious world of holiday pies with a homestead twist. That's right, we're talking fresh, local, and oh so yummy pies using homestead fruits and alternative flours. First up, let's talk about the fruit. If you're lucky enough to have your own homestead, you know the joy of picking your own apples, pears, or even berries. There's just something magical about using fruit that's traveled 0 miles to get to your table. Today, I'm using some crisp apples from my backyard. But don't worry if you don't have a homestead. Local farmers markets are perfect for finding fresh seasonal produce. Now let's get into the crust. Traditional flour is great, but I'm all for experimenting. Today, I'm mixing it up with some almond flour and a bit of coconut flour. These alternative flours not only add unique flavors, but also make our pie gluten-free, which is a win-win for everyone. Okay, let's make that crust. Combine 1 cup of almond flour, half a cup of coconut flour, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of sugar in a bowl. Mix in half a cup of cold butter, cutting it in until it's crumbly. Add 1 beaten egg and a tablespoon of cold water. Mix until it forms a dough, then roll it out and press it into your pie dish. Simple, right? For the filling, peel and slice your apples. Toss them in a bowl with some lemon juice, a mix of cinnamon, nutmeg, and a touch of allspice, and a bit of sugar. Spread your spiced apples evenly over the crust. I love a good lattice top, so go ahead and get creative with your crust design. Pop your pie in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Celsius and bake for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the filling is bubbly. The smell alone will make your kitchen feel like a holiday wonderland. And there you have it, a homestead holiday pie that's fresh, local, and absolutely delicious. I hope this inspires you to get baking and try some alternative ingredients this holiday season. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share your own pie creations in the comments below. Happy baking, everyone!